I just came down here on the floor and things are buzzing because it seems like we have a little bit of an event happening here on the floor that we're not quite sure what's going on. I'm here with Doreen Mogavero of Mogavero Lee. So Doreen, I just happened to look at the volume and it was way beyond what we normally see today. What's going on?
Well, I think, first of all, we had some pretty good jobs numbers this morning out of ADP. So I think the market was already up when it opened. But after the opening, apparently, we had a lot of enthusiasm with a particular buyer, bought stocks all around the floor, and then reversed, I believe, and sold them off a little bit again. And that really kind of ramped the volume up. But I believe it was one client.
We also heard us talk about that maybe it just set off the algorithms and that it could have been an error, that people don't quite know exactly, was it an error or is it for real?
Yeah, well, I mean, I don't have any idea, so I would not want to comment on that, but I really don't know. But apparently, you know what happens in electronic markets? These things, once it hits levels, it triggers other algos to come in, and it becomes sort of a
self-fulfilling prophecy.
Or a cascading effect is what I was trying to say. Things sort of follow one another. So I think that's what happened here. And I think then as it reversed, people saw that prices got a little out of whack, I think, and they reversed. We got some real sellers in and got everything back to sort of normal. And in the meantime, there were some stocks that we did halt because they were a little bit too thinner stocks or less liquid stocks that we wanted to make sure the pricing was correct on. So we did that. But other than that, we've had a pretty good day and pretty good numbers out of ADP.
Well, and it's kind of good feeling that you've got some, governors down here, people on the floor that are really watching this, that it's not just the robots in charge.
Well, right. I mean, I think that's always the good news in the New York Stock Exchange. One of our strengths is in times of chaos or in problems or in stress, we're very good at managing that. So I think that should be very reassuring to the public, I hope.
All right, well, we will keep our eye on this as we try to, just determine that if, in fact, what we just saw here was, a computer error or, in fact, just somebody very enthusiastic and optimistic about this market.